Oh my goodness. Okay, be cool, be cool, be cool, be cool. Okay, I gotta calm down. This is absolutely my favorite fifth wheel ever. One that I will probably never be able to afford. Almost $300,000 retail, but the nicest, most exquisite, fanciest fifth wheel money can buy. A 2023 Forest River Riverstone Legacy. This has a full body paint to it. You see 2 power awnings with LED lights. We have a ONAN generator on the front, 5,500 watt. That'll power up some AC units, all your electrical. We got dual pane frameless windows. You see that vent over there? I'm coming back to that vent. We got side cameras, rear view camera. We got a camera above the door so you can see who's coming in. Tri-axle with disc brakes. Fully automatic hydraulic leveling system. We got a TV outside to watch the game. We got storage in this slide in the back. Heck, if you want to put a TV in there, I'm sure that can happen. I don't know why you'd want 2 TVs outside, but oh well. All right, we do have a trailer hitch out back. That's good for bicycles, for a wood rack. Ladders out back, fiberglass cap on the rear. Take a look at this. So we do have a 50 amp power connection on a power reel. The furnace, Truma Aqua Go instant hot water. Here's a look at your wet bay, the other side of the storage compartment. Take a look at this. So if you do, for some reason, want to do some maintenance, or you're sprung a leak somewhere, perhaps in the washer dryer, let's say, you can shut those valves off individually. Lots of room there for more batteries. This, of course, does have a solar panel system. Nice LED lights within that front cap. Riverstone, folks. So this is the big brother to Cedar Creek. Cedar Creeks have 2-inch walls, hung wall construction with extra insulation. These guys, 3-inch walls with extra insulation. Cabinetry like you've never seen before. You know what? Let's just go in. All right. Keyless entry. There's your model number. So folks, no doubt about it, we do have a Riverstone Signature Series here. That is also an ultimate machine for a couple. But let's say you want to live in this down in Florida. You have family that wants to come visit. Or you just got a lot of friends that come over. This might be the one. Okay. So there is the camera system. We do have daytime and nighttime shades throughout. Take a look at the wooden balances. Now we do have 2 extra chairs that come with and a table extension. Of course, if you want to work from home, you can do it right there. Take a look at this beautiful kitchen. That is certainly no easy bake oven. This beautiful microwave is a convection microwave. Take a look at the finish. Huge TV over here. Lots and lots of storage throughout. That center island looks like it's floating. A residential style fridge with an ice maker. I've only been plugged in here for a few minutes. I can already feel it cooling off. Pantry. I wonder if this is a big pantry or a small one. What do you think? Yeah, I'd have to say that's pretty big. Look at the wood. Amazing. different color wood right here. Love it. This different color. Oh no, that's a dishwasher. Oh goodness. All right. Living room number 2. Okay, got interrupted by a phone call. Let's keep going. It's okay. Where was I? Living room number 2. So, theater seats. These are power operated. These are Allure seats. Lots of windows within the slide. Super tall slide ceilings. Porcelain toilet. So this is the second bathroom. Porcelain toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, super tall ceilings. There's a ladder. And you're thinking, okay, what's that ladder for? Let me show you. So directly in front of the theater seats, we have a huge TV. I am going to guess that's at least 60 inches, if not bigger. Fireplace that throws out some heat. Extra wide sofa that converts into a bed. Again, wooden valances all over, daytime, nighttime shades. All right, so you're like, what's that railing right here? And then what's that over here? Well, let me show you what that is. So if you get a family that wants to come over and visit, no problem. Not only will you have a very large bed here, but you'll have another one that'll roll right down. How cool is that? And you guys wonder why I get so excited about these things. Holy crackamoly, that's awesome. Okay, yeah, so the solid step is spring-loaded, so it's really nice and easy to bring in and out as you're traveling. Yeah, we got some storage here. Touchpad, control center, Truma AquaGo. All right, let's go into the main bathroom. Yes, that's a porcelain toilet. We got a little tiki seat there in the bathroom or in the shower. Medicine cabinet with an extra door. Solid surface countertops. I don't know, that's kind of fancy, gotta say. Where's the drain? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Storage, storage. And storage down low. Okay, master bedroom up next. Take a look at that. Of course, you're in a Riverstone, folks. You're gonna get a king-size bed. And I gotta say, there is room in this king bed for more. Absolutely beautiful. Another big smart TV. Another slide here, with your own window. Let's keep going. What's over here? All right, we got the Cadet heater, auxiliary electric heater. Yep, that's right. You can live in this thing for sure. And over on the other side, we got a $200 basket. I'm kidding. Well, maybe not. We got a solar panel system. We have your Wi-Fi booster already in there. And take a look at this beautiful DYSON vacuum. That's it. You just charge that, pick up whatever you want. Holy moly, folks. This is definitely something that I could move to Florida with and live year round. Oh, did I mention 3 AC units on the roof? Yeah, okay. Let's go to Mexico. Bring on the heat. I don't care. Oh. Mucha cerveza, por favor. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. And for your US shoppers, we're on the east coast of Canada. I hope to see you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.